Thank you for subscribing my channel. Please subscribe and like. Now back to the news. Angelina Jolie's lawyer made a highly unusual public appeal to her ex-husband Brad Pitt, asking the actor to let her go on Friday. Paul Murphy, her attorney, said she looks forward to the day when he is finally able to let her go. Pitt is accused of sandbagging his former wife by filing a response to documents which her team say was designed to cause a press event. Her team also say that the latest legal skirmishes, which concern Pitt requiring Jolie to sign an NDA as part of a deal to sell her portion of their vineyard, are part of a shameful cover-up of his abuse of her, and are about power and control. The appeal follows a declaration by a former bodyguard which was lodged at the Superior Court by Pitt's side. It accused Jolie of trying to drive a wedge between Pitt and their 6 children. Jolie's team are now moving to have that filing struck. It's thought that the 3 eldest children, Maddox, Pax and Zahara, have no relationship with Pitt, and son Pax said in an Instagram post 3 years ago that his father was a world-class a-hole, an effing awful human being who made his children tremble with fear. Pitt is no longer seeking to vary custody arrangements for the 3 children who are under 18, following protracted legal action which failed. Meanwhile, battle rages over the vineyard they once co-owned, which Ms. Jolie sold to billionaire Yuri Scheffler of the Stoli Group. Pitt argues went against their agreement to offer the other the right of first refusal. Paul Murphy, attorney for Angelina Jolie, said Mr. Pitt's continued attempt to equate common NDAs for security personnel and housekeepers, covering confidential information employees learn at work, with him demanding an expanded NDA to ensure the continued cover-up of his deplorable actions remains shameful. This case is not about NDAs in general, but about power and control. All Angelina has ever wanted was separation and health, with positive relationships between all members of their family, including Mr. Pitt. She looks forward to the day when he is finally able to let her go. A source close to the case adds that the former bodyguard Tony Webb, who made the declaration, was present when Pitt allegedly attacked Jolie and the children in the 2016 incident on a private plane which ended the marriage. The source said Webb is on Pitt's peril and worked for the same security team whose other members stood on the tarmac in law and turned a blind eye to Pitt's actions that day. Webb's declaration also conveniently leaves out the fact that the second security guard mentioned in the declaration, though called to testify by Pitt, testified in favor of Angelina, not against her. In legal papers seen by DailyMail.com, Jolie objects to and moves to strike the declaration of their former bodyguard, filed by Pitt on Wednesday.